Once upon a time, in a kingdom surrounded by enchanted forests, lived a brave little princess named Luna. Unlike other princesses who loved fancy dresses and grand balls, Luna adored adventures. Her best friend was a clever, quick-footed rabbit named Jasper, who always kept her company on her daring quests. One day, an evil sorcerer cast a spell over the kingdom, turning all the knights and guards into stone statues. The king and queen were helpless, and the people trembled in fear. Luna, though small, had a heart full of courage. She turned to Jasper and said, "We must save our kingdom." With Jasper's sharp senses and Luna's bravery, they journeyed through the dark whispering woods, where shadows played tricks on travelers. Jasper's ears twitched at every sound, guiding Luna safely through. Finally, they reached the sorcerer's tower, a tall, spiraling fortress guarded by fire-breathing bats. "How do we get in?" whispered Luna. Jasper grinned. "Leave it to me." He hopped ahead, distracting the bats with his speedy zigzags, while Luna sneaked inside. At the top of the tower, the sorcerer laughed. "A little girl and a rabbit, you're no match for me." But Luna stood tall. True strength isn't about size, it's about heart. She grabbed the enchanted amulet around his neck and threw it to the ground, shattering it. The spell was broken. The knights turned back to flesh. The kingdom rejoiced, and the sorcerer was banished forever. From that day on, Princess Luna and Jasper were known as the bravest heroes in the land, and though many more adventures awaited them, they knew that as long as they had each other, no challenge was too great.